Can cracks in colored or stamped concrete driveways be repaired the same way? Colored and stamped concrete require repair techniques that prioritize matching both color and texture rather than just filling voids. Start by cleaning the crack and surrounding area with a stiff brush and a mild detergent, then rinse and let it dry fully. Moisture trapped under a repair will alter color and bonding. For thin cracks, use a color-matched polyurethane or acrylic concrete sealant applied slightly recessed so you can later texture the surface. For wider gaps, use a cementitious patch mixed with colorant to match the base tone and add blended sand to reproduce aggregate feel. When matching stamped patterns, press a flexible stamp or texture mat into the patch while it is still plastic and feather the edges into the existing concrete to avoid a visible lip. After the patch cures, apply a translucent stain or tint that can be layered to fine-tune hue differences, and then seal with a color-enhancing sealer to unify sheen and deepen pigment. Always test the stain on a small, inconspicuous area first. Work in similar environmental conditions as the original placement, ideally cool and dry, and allow full cure time specified by the manufacturer before letting vehicle traffic return. Common mistakes include using plain gray patch material that stands out against colored concrete, which you can avoid by using color-matched mixes or integrating powder pigments and testing small samples. Another frequent issue is failing to reproduce texture, so the repair reads as a flat spot. So mix in the correct grade of sand and use a matching stamp or hand tool to emulate the pattern before the patch sets. A third problem is sealing too soon or applying an incompatible sealer that reacts with colorants, so wait for full cure and use a sealer recommended for colored or stamped surfaces, doing a small trial area to confirm appearance and adhesion. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to specialty surface repairs and other tasks. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, before and after examples, and vendor recommendations that can guide your repair decisions.